Hi guys, I want to tell you about how much I love my Hamilton Beach blender. This morning I'm making smoothie for my son before he goes to school. I'm starting off with organic spinach, bananas, blueberries, some strawberries. I've already blended the spinach, banana, blueberries, strawberries, and I just toss in a Chobani yogurt. So here we go. I'm going to put the lid on, secure it. All right, and here we go. There's a smoothie button, and here we go. Come to an end, and let's open it up. Very well blended, and I'm very happy with it, and I know you would too. The top doesn't close. Look, I had it backwards, but look, the top doesn't close. Like, regardless of either way you put it, I try to open it, still doesn't close. It just pops up. Yeah, it doesn't close. Okay. It doesn't close. It doesn't lock. All right.
As you can see, I got a blender full of sea moss already prepared. Now I can't use it. A whole bag just wasted. This thing won't work at all. As you can see, it's plugged in. It's working because the coffee pot is working. You see, this thing won't do anything anymore, and I don't understand why it burned out so fast. So
you can see the hole right here and the crack right here. This is the one I purchased. I've barely used it. It exploded all over the place and made the hugest mess you can imagine. Look, frozen mangoes and berries. And that blew out all over the place. All over the floor. I just cleaned it up. It was a disaster. It looked like someone got murdered in here.
All the jars have come broken and shattered into pieces.
The banana is right there and it's not working. It's not smoothie. It's still there. It's why it's not very good.
Dijiste que cuando estaba en absoluto lo que sucediera. Solo quieres la copa como todos.
Dije eso para protegerte. ¿Qué quieres que hiciera? Todo el tiempo te estuve cuidando.
O tal vez de otra fuera diferente.